How to disable sound effect in Duolingo. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off the sound effects in Duolingo application. So let's get started. First of all, open the Duolingo app on your device and log in. From the home page, go ahead and tap the three dots at the bottom right corner and click on Profile. Once you get to your profile section, tap on the gear button at the top right corner and then you will see the Preferences tab. Click on it. Inside Preferences, you'll see the Sound Effects option. To turn off sound effect, toggle off the button right next to sound effect. Once you have this button turned off, this will disable the sound effect in the Duolingo application. Now your Duolingo app won't play sound effect while you practice, giving you a calmer, distraction-free learning experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.